happy.
So you know, Buddha says that your feet should touch the soil of the earth at least once a day.
Oh, thank you.
And then water is a bonus.
Ah. Bonuses are always good. Thank you, Buddha.
It all starts with your feet, right?
It all starts with your feet. Well, that's your feet.
Every hike starts with your feet.
Yep. One foot in front of the other. Last night was her playing. They did the play. And you know what? She's super happy, right? She was laughing and just like that. And then when she's not, doing that stuff, like I said, she's in her room on her screen.
She's not happy.
Not too happy.
Yeah. I got as far as
I was
Pong.
too busy, like, yeah, Pong, right, exactly.
Right.
I got as far as Pong. And then Pac-Man came out and I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm ready.
Of course, that could be slim pickings for the water slide. This is like leprechaun land.
That's it, Hobbit land.
Hobbit land. I think I see a hobbit. This could be a hobbit. This is so fun, it could turn into a hobbit. Buddha says that your feet should touch the soil of the earth at least once a day.
Oh, thank you.
And then water is a bonus.
Ah. Bonuses are always good. It's just weird, a couple of series of accidents like back to back.
Yeah. The fish whisperer. Fish whisperer.
What's funny is his nickname is Whale Boy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Huh.
Whale Boy.
Whale boy.
Yeah, he's been Whale Boy for years. So
Wow.
I'm gonna call him Whale Boy, aka Fish Whisperer.
This is always a fun section.
camping out there.
Out of control! Whoa! Big mothership. So when you go home and tell your friends what this is like, what would you say to them? How would you describe it in words?
I would say that it was this water slide. I don't know.
Bye! Buddha says that your feet should touch the soil of the earth at least once a day. And then water is a bonus.
Wow.